So I now have both rods in the pond. I've got my left hand rod about there on them lilies, and my right hand rod's just down here in the margins. My left hand rod is on a 360. I've put a trimmed down bottom bait with a pink pop-up on there and a scattering of the sauce boilies from Dynamite, only about 10-15. And then my right hand rod is on a Ronnie rig with a monster shrimp pop up and about 7 or 8 the sauce boilies crushed up just in the margins. But literally when I just casted my left hand rod out, I must have spooked a fish that was under the lilies, because big massive lump in the lilies where I must have scared the fish. So hopefully I haven't scared it off too much. It's only an underarm cast, but hopefully I haven't scared it off too much and it comes back. That's what I'm hoping. But you never know. We may be in for a bite. There's a fish just there underneath them lilies.